listen to these weak, feeble attempts at mustering a victory only in imagination, because like Mr. Modi has been talking only about the M word, but the M word only related to mutton, machli, Musalman, mandir, masjid, and he forgot the women of Manipur, he forgot the Mahilas, he forgot so many other things, mehengai. And let me also tell you that I have spent 4.5 months on the ground in Telangana. So I know exactly how people are thinking. And of course, when you are in a particular place and you're working on the ground, then you see phases and you see, different parties working, and you understand what is happening. But let me also remind Mr. Deshratan Nigam that you cannot get more seats in Haryana, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh than what you have already got. In UP, of course, 62 out of 80. Then if you look at Bihar, look at the number of seats that they've ceded to their ally over there. So the fact is that I come from Uttarakhand, and there were villages that used to vote for the BJP, and they have boycotted the elections this time. And the Ankita Bandari case has really been important. The paper leak issue, people are, because they have been suffering all these years, people are not talking. And I said on the, when the first phase was happening, on that day also I was saying that there is a very strong undercurrent. I can't make out what is happening. But as the elections have proceeded, we have seen what exactly we are talking about. But yes, when you talk about the last 75 years not having a great leader, I am amazed. We got freedom because of these great leaders, and what an insult the BJP spokesperson has inflicted on all those people who got us our freedom, because she feels
But do you
that
believe,
there was
that
no
the
leader.
optics